Let me share with you guys how you can add your YouTube video to your YouTube shorts. A whole lot of people, a whole lot of YouTubers make this mistake. They post shorts that is actually saying something about a particular video, full-length video in their YouTube. And most people just add link to the description. I have been making this mistake for a very long time. And a couple of days ago, I learned this and I decided to share with you guys. You guys know that shorts easily go viral. And if your short on YouTube goes viral, it can actually bring a lot of traffic to your main video. If you linked your main video to your YouTube short, or if you're the kind of person that always link your main video to your YouTube shorts that is related to whatever you're saying in your YouTube shorts. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can link your main YouTube video to your YouTube shorts so that in case if you make less than a minute video, which is YouTube shorts, and you're saying something about a particular video and you want them to watch out the main video, now your shorts can actually go viral and drive traffic to that video if you actually pinned it, which is what I am going to show you how you can pin your main video to your YouTube short. So we're going to dive right into my system now. This is let's go to my YouTube. If you want to do this, you have to do it on your laptop. Okay, so go to your content, hit your content. Once you go to your content, this is videos, this is just the normal video, full length video, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes video. Now navigate to your shorts. Okay, now assuming I want to add this video, this particular first video, to this video now, to this short, what I need to do to this short, what I need to do is, first of all, come over to this video, click on it and copy the title of this video. Copy the title. Now go back to content and locate shorts. Now I want to link this video that I copied the link to this YouTube shorts. Now open this short. Before I do this, let me just play this short so that you guys will have an idea of what I'm saying. Let's allow these shorts to load. Still loading. Okay. Now you guys can see that this short has loaded. If you look down here, what you're seeing is just Aswa Ikenna. Then the name of the short. If you play it, there's no there's no video that is linked to this short. Now you guys have taken a closer look to this video. There's no video that is linked to this short. After linking it, you will see something like a play button here. Let's go back. Let me close this. Let's go back, and if you want to link a video, since I've copied that video, scroll down to this right hand corner. You guys can see related video. Now click on this edit button. All right, once you click on it, it's going to bring out the videos on your YouTube channel. So what you need to do is come over here and type the title of that video, which is this. But this video is here because I just posted it yesterday. So it's still a recent video. But if you want to add any of your old video, copy the title and come here and paste it. You can see it's now showing only this particular video. Now double click on it. That means you want to add it to that particular related video. You can see the title is now here. So what you need to do is now click on save. Okay, let me refresh this page, and we are going to play this YouTube short, this particular short after. Okay, now click on this link and let's allow this short to load. Right, now you guys can see that this short has loaded. Initially, all you see here is Asoike Nakinsley, but now you can see the title of that video I just added to this shorts. So after watching these shorts now, if you tell people to click on the embedded link or they click on the link below the video, once they click this, it's going to navigate them to the main video, which is this video that I just added. You guys can see this is just an advert.
Start today with GoDaddy. If you can dream it, you can build it. Whatever.
Now skip. This video is about how. Okay, you guys can see that from that shot, by clicking on that link or play button, it has now navigated whoever that clicks on that short link or that play button in front of down below the shot is now going to take the person down to the main video. So this is quite very easy. Instead of you adding link to your YouTube shorts, which most people don't go through your description in your YouTube shorts, you better do it like this so that in case if your YouTube short goes viral, you can actually drive traffic to your main video, which will make you make more money because shorts does not make you more money because of the advert placement. So with this, if your short goes viral, you're going to make a whole lot of money because it's going to drive traffic to the main video on your YouTube channel. So this is actually what I want to share with you guys in this video. If this video was actually helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kinsley. And on this channel, I give you teams and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. In case if this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.